Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and opening the case. Do it now. Once open, remove any backup battery and inspect terminals for corrosion, loose wires, or burned scent. Make sure the external power jack and internal fuse are intact. Use a multimeter to confirm 512V at the board depending on model. These quick checks eliminate most simple failures and let you move directly to the circuit-level fixes that follow. Now focus on the board. You want to find cracked solder joints, lifted traces, or swollen capacitors. These are common culprits. Once identified, reflow cold joints with a fine-tip soldering iron and replace any leaky electrolytic capacitors or corroded connectors. Test the crystal or oscillator and voltage regulators for proper frequency and output. If the clock IC isn't getting stable reference, the timekeeping. Once repairs are done, you reassemble the case and reinstall the battery, then apply power. Set the time and let the clock run while you observe for reset events, drift, or flicker. If it keeps time for 24-48 hours, the job is complete. If the display remains blank or behavior is unstable, your key troubleshooting tip is to verify power continuity from jack to board and, if good, consider swapping the display module or the clock IC as the last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.